Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Thursday, June 3rd, 2021. It is 1:23 and 46 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, super hearing. So let's hop to it here. Anyone can get super hearing. New audio technique can track bats in flight and help localize sources of ultrasonic sound. Date June 2nd, 2021. Source, Alto University. Humans can observe what and where something happens around them with their hearing, as long as sound frequencies lie between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Researchers have now developed a new audio technique that enables people to also hear ultrasonic sources that generate sound at frequencies above 20,000 Hz, with simultaneous perception of their direction. In a research study, researchers used bats in their natural habitat as sources of ultrasonic sound. With their new technique, they can now hear the directions of arrival of bat sounds, which means we can track bats in flight and hear where they are. We are essentially giving ourselves super hearing. Small devices have been used before to listen to bats, but previous versions haven't allowed listeners to locate the bats, just hear them. With their device, the researchers record ultrasound using an array of microphones flush, mounted and uniformly distributed on the surface of a small sphere. After the signal has been pitch shifted to audible frequencies, the sound is played back on the headphones immediately. Currently, the pitch shifting is performed on a computer, but in the future, it can be done with electronics attached to the headphones. A sound field analysis is performed on the microphone signals, and as a result, we obtain the most prominent direction of the ultrasonic sound field, and a parameter that suggests the sound comes only from a single source. After this, a single microphone signal is brought to the audible frequency range of human hearing, and its single source signal is played back on the headphones, so that the listener can perceive the source from the direction the sound was analyzed to arrive. On top of its popular appeal, the technique has tangible real-world applications. In science and art, people have always been interested in how they could improve their senses. Finding sources of ultrasonic sound is also useful in many practical situations, such as finding leaks in pressurized gas pipes. Minor pipe leaks often produce strong ultrasound emissions, not detected by normal hearing. The device allows us to spot the sound more quickly. At times, damaged electrical equipment also emits ultrasound, and the device could be used for locating faulty equipment faster in places such as data centers. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.